Today, you guys are going to be shocked to know that maximum number of hair loss patients are in Bangalore. Yes, you heard it right. सबसे ज़्यादा hair loss आज हमारे देश में बैंगलोर सिटी में है. ऐसा क्यों? हमने जब हमारा रिसर्च किया हमें पता चला कि बैंगलोर has become the depression capital of India. Bangalore has become such a competitive city. यहाँ पे इतने स्टार्टअप्स रोज खुलते हैं और आप जान के शॉक्ड होंगे कि इतने सारे स्टार्टअप्स बंद भी होते हैं. अब होता क्या है जब हमारा स्ट्रेस लेवल बहुत बढ़ जाता है, what happens it leads to hair loss. इतना स्ट्रेस की वजह से वो डायरेक्टली हमारे हेयर फॉलिकल्स को अफेक्ट करता है. दैट इज द रीजन टुडे व्हेन वी फाउंड आउट कि बैंगलोर में सबसे ज्यादा हेयर लॉस पेशेंट्स हैं. So we usually get a lot of clients from Bangalore और बहुत सारे clients Bangalore से मुंबई travel करते हैं. So we have some good news for you. We are opening in Bangalore very soon and this 13th and 14th you will get to see me personally. So I'm sure बहुत सारे candidates हैं जिनको जानना है कि is non-surgical hair replacement right for me? Will it look natural? I want to try it personally. Should I do a transplant? So we're going to be there on the 13th and 14th. So you can call up on 9222 Call up the board line number and find out location. आप appointment लेने की कोशिश करिए. Book your slots. Already we are full. There are just few slots left. So please call up on this number. Book your slots for consultation and I shall see you there personally. Thank you so much and subscribe to American Hairline. Thank you.